Bring down the mic. Please. MTA, move out now.
People are already lined up, so I will save time to go so they can continue. Thank you very much.
How do you feel about the exercise so far, Your Excellency?
Well, so far so good. So good. Nigerians understand and they are behaving themselves.
Are you all full? Are you all full?
What?
Your Excellency, of this exercise. Are you all full?
Are you hopeful, sir?
Very hopeful indeed.
But Your Excellency, if you lose this election, will you accept defeat and congratulate the winner and hand over power eventually?
I will congratulate myself. I'm going to be the winner. Thank you very much.
BBC Hausa. Hausa ranka me za ka ce ranka da game da
Alhamdulillah, na ga mutane sun fahimta kuma sun yarda.
idan alal misali ka faɗi zaben nan zaka amince ka kuma ce
A
wanda
ba wani alal misali ni zan ci zabe kada.
Kana son bidiyoyi na comedy, wasanni, labarai da nishadi da sauransu? Ka danna subscribe na Aminci 24 TV domin samun su a koyaushe da kake bukata. Mun gode.